Guys, I just got here now and I want to check out the house. If you guys remember, it was almost finished the last time we were here. There hasn't been too much progress, but little surprises here and there. So for example, you can see here, I thought they were gonna put for us a glass door right here, here. I thought they would put a glass door, but it looks like they're not gonna put any, because apparently they have put this one, the outer one, which doesn't make sense to me, because this is like the laundry area. You can put your washing machine over there. Now you can see there's even a socket and there's water place. So I'm just imagining if, let's say, there's an overflow here and you don't have this, and then they still have to put they call it gout or whatever. Yeah, and then as usual, there's sockets. Internet ishafika. Internet iko. Mnatumia gani? Surfnet. Iko fast. Ni how much per month? 25. So, as usual, Kenyan fundis, I just wish they would just leave the place clean, you know? But anyway, sockets here, and then of course it's already wired for internet, and it's coming at 2,500 per. There's more sockets there and more sockets, and I don't know, this is a water heater or what. Ini heater ya maji ama?
Yeah, solar.
Solar for water. Oh, kuna solar huku? Oh, sio mtu atumie stima.
So solar.
Oh, okay. So that's the one for the solar. But it's prepaid. Sindio, nini stima? More sockets, guys. So that's the beauty of this house. There's a lot of sockets everywhere. So this is the view of the kitchen from the balcony / sitting room / everything else. The cabinets are yet, I think they're finished. Let me see. Yeah, they finished the cabinets. And this is where you put your cooker, I think, over there. And na hizi cabinets mtaziwekea handles. Mtu anafungua aje? Akisi mnafanyisha watu tizi. So guys, apparently there's no handles here. You have to open from down, which is, I don't know, I think the guy is really trying to save, but well. Oh, okay guys. So you've had the bottom ones they'll put. So this is for there, for the. Okay. So more sockets here in the kitchen. So here you can put like your fridge, and that's the bell, the alarm rather. So yeah, here you can put your, what do you call it? Microwave, I think. So it's a decent house. So here, guys, apparently they won't put a glass door, so they're gonna put like for you, you can put a curtain if you want. So I'm now walking from this is the door that I entered through, and now coming in, walking into the corridor. So on my right, there's a room here. The wardrobes are finished, as you can see. The room is spacious enough for Nairobi standards, but huku ni kama they haven't finished. I don't know why they don't. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you can see there's that window, but of course they have to do cleaning. They told me that I have to give notice for them to clean, which is, anyway. So I've told them to clean the house by 15th. So there's sockets here Actually, these are the only sockets in the room, but at least there are two, so hakuna vita kwa nyumba. So one thing I love about the house, as you can see, there's a lot of lighting. It's almost 4 o'clock right now, but the lighting is really good. But I hate the way they leave the floor with a lot of paint. Apparently they said they'll come and clean. I don't know what was so difficult just to put a newspaper here as you paint, you know? Anyway, same thing. They are yet to clean up. Like, it's crazy. I mean, look at all this paint. All this could have been avoided if they just covered. Yeah. But at least that's one thing I love about this house. You have a separate toilet, and this is the shower area. Yeah, at least, oh, they are nice. They put for us this, what do you call it? For hanging your towel, for putting your soap, and you can see it's a proper rain shower. And then there's this other one, so that is really a plus. And they've also put that rod. So the bathroom is just here to do what it's supposed to do, for you to shower. Hakuna mambo mengi. So that's the shower. View from the living room, shower and toilet. And then this is the sink area. So there's a sink right there. Used truly. And there's a mirror here. And then now we are walking into the next bedroom. So again, this one also has 2 sockets. And the bedroom it's not like super big, but it does what it's supposed to do. But what I love most about it is the views. And guys, you see that incomplete building down there? That's the kindergarten. And so the bottom part that is not painted and this incomplete building, those are the kindergarten area. And then the yellow building you see on the left, the one which is painted, those are the 1-bedroom houses. They are really, really lovely. And this is the rest of the other houses. So here the sunset is amazing. You guys can check out the other videos I've done on the sunset. But overall, I think I love the progress so far. I am now on the corridor. This is the view of the kitchen, living room, and those are your views from the bedroom, not from the living room. So those are your views, and I mean it's really nice, decent, so I can't complain. So guys, those are the views. So far I'm happy with how the house has turned out so far. So guys, this is something that I do. This is my client's house. If you are in the diaspora and you want somebody to check out for you houses, if you're looking for houses to buy specifically, I will come and check out the house for you, check out progress, just like this one of my client. And of course it's gonna be at a fee. And if you're looking to buy a house, please get in touch with me. I can plug you. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.